Proverbs 18:21 says, "The tongue has the power of life and death, and those who love it will eat its fruit." Words hold incredible power. They can build or tear down, heal or hurt, bring blessings or curses. Proverbs chapter 18 verse 21 reminds us that our words shape not only others, but also our own lives. Imagine a person holding a hammer. With it, he can either construct a beautiful house or destroy it with a single swing. In the same way, our words are like that hammer, tools we can use to build others up with kindness and encouragement, or tear them down with criticism and anger. Our words are also like seeds. When we plant love, encouragement, and truth, we cultivate strong, thriving relationships. But harsh or careless words sow weeds that choke those connections. Proverbs 18:21 also says that those who love it will eat its fruit, reminding us that we will experience the result of our words, whether it's good or bad. Mother Teresa once said, "Kind words can be short and easy to speak, but their echoes are truly endless." Think about your recent conversation that you've had. Have your words built others up? Or have they torn them down? Jesus said in Matthew chapter 12 verse 34, "Out of the abundance of the heart, the mouth speaks." So what we say reveals what's in our hearts. This week, challenge yourself to speak at least one word of encouragement each day. A simple, "I appreciate you," "I love you," or "You're doing great" can brighten someone's day and leave a lasting impact. Use your words to build, not to destroy. In 3 weeks, the Global Church will come together for an event called Gather25. Friends, revival is happening all around the world. Let's spend the next 3 weeks in prayer, humbly asking God to move powerfully through this event. Invite a friend to join you in starting the 21-day Bible plan, link on the next slide.